We got a Boland's.
Yeah. It bowled the piston straight out of the motor. This was a 15 horsepower. I guess it's got the Brazen Stratton stamping on the crank or connecting rod, but it bent and broke that rod, along with all this other whatever that's part of the connecting rod, I guess, whatever that is. Man, oh yeah, she's a little sloppy on the old crank. So we need to figure out what we want to do with this roach. We got it for free. It's clearly not fixable, like worth it for us. We don't need a mower. So what do we do now?
Nobody knows.
Need some kind of vertical shaft motor to make this mower great again.
2-stroke?